Hi everybody, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share my club kit that I get every month from La La Land. And this is January's kit. And the theme is Valentine's Day this month. So I want to share that kit with you. And then when I come back, in about a week or so, I'm going to come back and share what I make with this kit as well, okay? But today is just to share with you the kit. So every month, when I first started out, you guys, I was just getting the stamps. And then I was disappointed because I really wanted the dies. So I bit the bullet, and now I am getting the whole kit, including the dies. There was one of the kits, I think it was the first kit I ever got, I got dies with it. The second kit only came with the stamps. And then I was trying to finagle some things on the website, change over to the full kit and change my payment. You know, and I was having so much problems, and Irina was super sweet. She helped me out with that. And because she said to me, she says, well, seeing that you had so much problem on the website, I want to give you the dies that went with the kit that you didn't get dies with. So Irina rocks, you guys. She is super sweet. She does everything she can to help you if you have any issues on the website or, you know, with your kits or anything like that. So she sent me the dies that went with my Rockstar Marcy, and I've already put those away. But Irina, if you're watching, or if anybody's watching that knows Irina, she is awesome. So thank you so much. So this is this month's kit, you guys. It is so super cute, and it's panda bears again. I love pandas. Those of you who know me know I love pandas. Last month was pandas, and this month is pandas. And this is Valentine themed, so we have the Marcy, cute little bandana on her head. She's got a heart necklace, so cute. And then we have the three panda bears holding a heart, holding a hanging heart, and this one's holding a key. And then the dies that come with it are the key, the heart, and the wings. So it's great to have a pair of wings, so you could put those on any image, but Marcy would look cute with the wings, or if you have an angel that needs wings, you could use that die and cut out the wings for that. So awesome. And then you get all these sentiments with it. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments with that kit. So that's pretty awesome. So I wanted to share that with you. These are the stamps. They are pretty big. They're good size, especially for somebody who's just starting out coloring. These images are so easy to color because they have wide spaces. I absolutely love La La Land. So that is the 2 rubber stamps, and the sentiments have to be cut out. So I do cut them out after, you know, after I open the kit. So here are the dies. Look at how big this key is. That key is super large. I love it. And then you get the heart. And then here are the wings, which are a really good size as well. So those are the dies. And that is for January's kit. Now, this month, Irina had offered anybody that was in the club for more than 2 months, if you had to be in the club for at least 2 months, if you wanted to order one of the past kits, she gave you the opportunity to do so. So I picked up an extra kit. This was from July of last year in the summer. So this is what this kit looks like. And I picked this one up because I just absolutely love the little fairies. This one has a watering pail. This one's holding a bouquet of flowers. Oh, they're just so super cute. And look at Marcy. She's adorable. And she's holding a bouquet of flowers as well. And this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentiments. And it comes with those dies. So let me just open this one up to see those dies real quick and share with you. I'm so excited to get this past kit. I didn't sign up until October of last year is when I signed up. So this kit was July, so I wasn't in the club at that time. So I was happy to be able to grab this kit. They have other ones too, but I just picked the one for now. So here are the stamps. And like I said, they're pretty big, they're pretty large. You cut them out, you cut them off the rubber. And what I do is I have these laminated pieces like this. And what I do is I cut them apart and I stick them to the laminated piece, and then I slide that in. And on one side I have the stamps. On the other side I put a piece of magnet like this and I glue it to the back, and then I put my dies on it, and then I slide the whole thing back in the package. And that's how I store them. So I'm pretty excited about getting this kit, you guys. And let me just share with you. I'll just, let me see. I can show you the dies this way. Maybe this will be better to show them so you can see them. So you get the flowers, the watering pail, and you get the little flower box. Isn't that cute? And the flower box comes in 2 pieces, so you could put, you know, make the bottom, or you could put it on the top. But it's so cute. I love that. The dies are very well, the quality is very good. They're thick. They're not going to bend. Really, really awesome. So if you guys are looking to get into a kit and you're not sure which kit you want to get, and you like to color, I suggest that you give these kits a try. Club La La Land. I'll leave the link down below to the website. And up in the top of the website, it has a button, a link that you follow to go over to the club. And then just follow the rules and sign up there if you want to sign up. So, yeah, these are adorable. You'll love them if you sign up for it and you wait like me. Every month I get so anxious. I can't wait to get the kit. And so I'm super happy these came today. And I'm working on some Gerda Steiner Panders right here. If you see them, this is a little sneak peek of what I'm working on. And those are going to be going on a card pretty soon. So, all right, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and God bless, and thank you for watching. Please thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.